Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this video. In this video we are going to look at step by step how we can use Microsoft Excel, to analyze sales of a certain company. This question is specifically for ICT level students, for the Ugandan competence-based curriculum. We are going to see the scenario question. The scenario is saying Smartcore Technologies analysis. Where is its background? They're saying that its background is saying Smartcore Technologies is a business in Mbarara that deals in computer accessories such as laptops, flash disks, and chargers. So the one the manager wants to analyze. The manager wants to analyze maximum sales using Microsoft Excel to improve decision making. The manager wants to analyze monthly sales using Microsoft Excel. So you have been provided with the worksheet containing the following data. This is the data. We have the laptop, flash disks, chargers, and those ones that were sold in January, February, March, plus the unit price for each. We're going to see how we can. The task, they want us to bring in data entry and we format it. We are going to do that one very fast, so that we can start from there. Just go to desktop, right click, go to Microsoft, new Microsoft Excel, say Smartcore sales analysis. After remember, open it. Want to enter our data, come to the table. Since this is the table, I will just copy it. Right click, copy the table and bring it to Excel. Bring it to Excel, paste it. What did they want us to do? Task was supposed to bring in a title saying Smartcore Technologies report for Q1. Remember, these companies be doing the analysis in quarters, so this is for Smartcore Q1. Insert. Remember, we have to put the title, so we have to insert a row. That row, we select some few cells here. We align, we merge them and center. Merge and center so that it can be very free. Then you can now double click there, start typing your word, your heading. You right click, select the heading, make it bold. Maybe put it on Times New Roman to look at professional. And maybe increase the indentation to 14. Increase the font size to 14. From there, we are required to put this work into borders. So I just come here, select it like this. I want to make some something here. Come here under font, select and put all borders. All borders. You can either choose borders with something of this color. All borders, something like that. Then what else? They want us to put format the currency of values to the AGX. Select this column. Come to general. Say more. Come to currency. If you're in currency, then here is symbol. Select symbol called UGX. Here, select it and click OK. So I have clicked OK. The currency now is in gigs. Okay, so we shall start from there. As per now, so start from there. If you would like these videos, okay, please do us a favor, like, you can share with your friends, you can comment, okay, and feel free to subscribe for more information like this. Thank you very much.